In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the photo crop challenge on TikTok. So this is a new challenge that has just popped up, and let's just get straight into it. So it starts off with one of the new trending filters. So how you get the filter is if you're on the Snapchat camera, and I'll just go back to show you, tap on the plus icon in the center in the middle. That will take you to the Snapchat camera. Then you want to tap on effects at the bottom left hand corner, and you can see underneath the trending effects, the first filter in the first row is the photo crop filter. So I'll tap on that, and essentially what you need to do is you need to try and get into the square before it takes the photo, which is kind of difficult and it's super fun to do. And that would be basically how you do it. But if for any reason you're not getting the filter from within this effects tab over here, you can go back. Then once you're on the discover tab, tap on the search bar and just type photo crop. Search for photo crop, and then it should show you their effects and photo crop. But if you're not seeing it there, make sure you go ahead and update your TikTok app, and you can actually tap on any one of these videos, and then above the person's username it's going to say photo crop. You can tap on that. That'll take you to the filters page, and you can add it to your favorites. You can browse all the videos using the filter. And if you want to record, just tap the record button at the bottom in red. It'll take a moment to load, and then you can start trying to get your face in the square. Now obviously this is going to work if you have a full body shot, so just keep that in mind. You might want to put the camera slightly further away from you to do this. And then that was obviously the preview. So to record, you just have to press the record button and try and do it again. And then when you're happy, tap on the tick mark, tap on next, and add your sounds, effects, text, stickers, anything like that. Tap on next, and then just go through the posting process. So that is how you do the new photo crop challenge on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.